$1 chicken?
Should we get a personal, mija?
We're throwing a birthday party, and I'm in charge. We need to eat, but I'm so excited to play games. So let's get jumping. So we went straight to play. We took homemade pictures, but used all the paper. So we played skee ball, then ticket games, but moved to game spinning. But then we ran out of time. So we went to the prizes. We got the biggest prize, but then my camera ran out of battery.